In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys 2 new ways to make passive income in 2024. So one thing to know about passive income is that you have to put in a little bit of work up front so that it can roll down the hill and snowball to make you a lot of money in a couple years down the line. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you guys how to take that money in your savings account that's literally making you no money, and I'm going to teach you how to make an extra $500s, even thousands of dollars per year by absolutely doing no work at all. For this method, we're only going to be using one website, so if you want to learn more, stay tuned for more after the intro. Woo! Alright guys, so to make this method work, what you would first need to do is to go to the Pocket Option broker, guys. You need to go to pocketoption.com and create yourself a website. If you go down in the link below, you can get signed up and get a free deposit match. To create your Pocket Option account, you would have to upload your driver's license, front and back side, and the verification process only takes up to a day. So once you get verified with Pocket Option, you will be able to trade this, guys, and you will be able to trade on a demo account as well as a quick real trading account. So this is where you can make the real money. This is where you can play and practice, and the main thing you want to do when if you're new to binary options is practice, because you can't start a job and immediately work like you're a professional. No, you have to go through some type of training first. So this would be your training is going to be on the QT quick trading demo, and how it pretty much works is that you could trade from anywhere from 5 seconds, and you could see, as you see, we just closed that trade in 5 seconds and we won a profit of $76.50 because it's paying 85% of my $90. So after you've pretty much explored Pocket Option, this is how you're going to make the passive income. You're going to want to go down to finance, and then you're going to press my safe. Now this only is going to be 10% of your revenue, but hey man, if you put in $1,000 in a savings account, a regular bank account savings account, and you let it go for 12 months, maybe in that 12-month time you're only going to make 10 cents off of your $1,000, 10 cents in 12 months. So by doing compound interest accounts, guys, this will help your money work for you, and this is how the rich simply get richer. So what you would do is you would have an initial deposit. So let's say for like my smaller traders, you know, $5,000. You don't even have to be a trader to go ahead and make this compound interest account. If you don't want to risk your money at all in trading, guys, you could just make this account and go ahead and put in $500 of Bitcoin, and you know, put it in your USD safe or your Bitcoin safe. So let's say you have an initial deposit of $500. Your monthly top up, if you want to, $1,000, but just for, you know, most of my viewers, let's say we just put $500 a month into our crypto savings account. Over a course of a year, you will only make $334, and at the end of the year, this is what your account would say, $6,834. And as you can see, this is what the type of money you would be making each month. It'll start at 4, but it'll compound, and it'll keep compounding, and it'll keep compounding until, you know, you eventually get to that $50 a month. But this is only with, you know, 500. So if we up it to 5,000, as you can see, the money will increase. And booyah shaka, you can make $800 in just a year. And a lot of our big traders, guys, they do go ahead and, like, you know, if they make $50,000 in the markets for a month, they'll probably just put that whole $50,000 into their safe. So then this is the type of money they're going to be earning extra every year just for not even doing anything. And at the end of the year, they will still have $61,000 into their account instead of 50. So yeah, that extra 11 bands a year is a good passive income stream. And then for the second method that I want to teach you guys to make this passive income, the first one is pretty simple. I hope you guys like it. If you did, please leave it a big thumbs up. But for the second method, we will go over to the Pocket Option affiliate. So over on the Pocket Option affiliate, you would put in your login information, and then you would just go ahead and sign in. So once you sign in, I actually haven't done any of this yet, so I will go ahead and fill in my information. So the Pocket Option affiliate program does offer revenue sharing benefits, guys. So what this means is that you could pretty much get some of the money from the traders that you do recruit, and however many trades they're profitable on, you can get a percentage of their payouts, guys. So that is a pretty good thing. And also as well, to get your affiliate links, all you would do is go over here to affiliate links, and then you would just simply, you could come over here and create a new affiliate link, but you could run a simple campaign, and this would be your Pocket Option link right here. But this was already generated for me as soon as I created my account, and this is pretty much what you will see as soon as you create your account. So it'll go to the home page, and you could have your registrations. You can see how many people you have registered. You can see how many deposits is going in. And guys, you get a percentage from all of this stuff, guys, from how many people you get registered, from the deposit amounts that they put in, and their payouts, guys. And if you go to the affiliate links tab, as you can see, you can create new affiliates, you could do new promos, and you could just simply copy this link. This will give them the 50 start. So this code right here will allow them to start up with only $50, and it'll give them a 50% match of that $50. So they will get $25 free to trade with, guys. And that is pretty much all you have to do on the Pocket Option. Now, if you don't know how to get your links out there, you could do simple things like start a blog, have a Instagram ad going or a YouTube ad going, or if you are a YouTuber like myself, you can just simply put this link in your descriptions. And even, guys, you could even set out stickers, say free money, get printed out stickers, free money with this link on it, or have a QR code built for this link, and have people going to the Pocket Option affiliate and going to the Pocket Option broker account and making accounts, guys. And this is how you can make some good passive income.
Woo, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to show your love, hit the like button, man, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button as well, because this is BIG, where we make investing easy, man. And with all that being said, my name is King Latta. If you have any further questions on how to make money the easiest way possible, how to start up an online business, or even trucking business, because I do have a lot of videos over on the channel on all of these ways to make money, don't forget to reach out to me in a kindly /King Latta link in the description for a one-on-one consultation phone call. But with all that being said, I'll see you tomorrow. We out. Woo!
You talking money, want all of it, please. I pulled before, got me stuck in a dream.